Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to send XRP using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. So follow along. On the SciSync app sidebar, select Send. Choose the wallet and the XRP account. Enter the amount and the receiver's address. Maximum spendable amount is equal to total balance minus 1 XRP, which is a base reserve. This requirement is enforced by the XRP network and not by Cypherock. If you are sending the XRP to a new XRP address, then you need to send at least 1 XRP to activate the wallet. Enter the wallet address. Destination tags, sometimes called memo tags or memo IDs, are only needed to send funds from your Cypherock XRP account to an exchange. You can add a personal note here. Here is the summary of the transaction. On the X1 vault, sign the transaction on XRP. Verify the address shown on the trusted display of the X1 vault. Verify amount. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. Your transaction was successful. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to send XRP using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet.